Alright, no crazy intro. This is an informal video, but this is a 2018 Nissan Frontier. 6 liter, or 6 cylinder, sorry. Doing a transmission fluid flush, which has been, there's a lot of videos of it on YouTube, but none with Nissan Frontier. So I already started the first process. Basically, you gotta take off your grill, easy mode. I got garden hose running. It's coming out of this pipe, not up here, but I just have that on there for whatever reason. And basically we're working in 3-quart increments. So drain 3 quarts and dump it, fill the transmission with 3 quarts, and we're going to repeat that process until it is clear. So I'm gonna hop behind the wheel, start it up. You don't have to put it in neutral, you just start the engine and she'll start pumping. There, she's pumping. Just trying to get it to 3 quarts again. I just did a top up of fresh. So we're going to do another couple cycles until it starts pouring out clear. Alright, so just did the transmission fluid swap. She's topped up, just letting it settle. I'm going to take it for a little test drive and see how she shifts. Wish me luck. Alright, so I guess to summarize the whole transmission fluid flush, worked out really well. Shifts a lot smoother. I think what prompted me to do the transmission fluid flush was that, like, going around like first, second gear, if it was like downshift, it was a lot harsher than it is now. Like, it would drop the RPM and there'd be like this huge like jankiness, and then like really got me on high alert. So I'm glad I actually swapped it out and I took the chance to do it kind of like how everybody else did it on YouTube. Saved me a ton of money taking it to a mechanic. Really, I just went through 10 liters, which is just about the 10.9 quarts. So I mean, proceed with caution as with all things, but it worked out for me. Best of luck.